A candidate to become a member of the Rajya Sabha should not be less than 30 years of age. C option is correct. The Union Parliament consists of the President of India, the Council of States, Rajya Sabha, the House of the People, Lok Sabha. D option is correct. The maximum strength of the elected members of the House of the People is the maximum strength is 545. B option is correct. How many readings does a non-money bill have in each house of parliament? These are three readings. B option is correct. By which bill does the government propose collection of revenues for a year? The bill is finance bill. B option is correct. The Indian Parliament is competent to enact law on a state subject if emergency under Article 352 is in operation. A option is correct. The President of India enjoys emergency powers of three types. The option is correct. The interval between two sessions of either house of parliament should not be exist from 6 months. B option is correct. The vice president of India is elected by the elected members of the parliament. C option is correct. A bill referred to as a joint sitting of two houses of the parliament is required to be passed by a simple majority of the members present. A option is correct. Who is the constitutional head of the government of India? He is the President of India. A option is correct. Who certifies a bill to be a money bill in India? It is certified by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. C option is correct. The Rajya Sabha is dissolved after none of the above. D option is correct. In case of the President wishes to resign, to whom he is to address his resignation letter? He has to address his resignation letter to Vice President. C option is correct. Next question. Which of the following are Financial Committee of Parliament in India? So these are Public Accounts Committee, Estimates Committee and Committee on Public Undertakings. D option is correct. The Speaker's vote in the Lok Sabha is called a casting vote. A option is correct. The Council of Ministers does not include Cabinet Secretary. The most important of the feature of the Indian Parliament is that the upper house of Parliament is never dissolved. The option is correct. How many times the President of India can seek re-election to his post? It can be any number of times. The option is correct. Match list first with list second and select the correct answer using the code given below. The list: Member of Parliament, President, Vice President and Speaker. List: elected by an electoral college, elected by Parliament, elected by Lok Sabha and elected by adult voting code. We will have to match all these according to their election. So let's start. First, there is Member of Parliament. Member of Parliament will be elected by the adult voting code, and then President will be elected by an electoral college. Vice President will be elected by the Parliament and Speaker will be elected by the Lok Sabha. D option is correct here. Next question. Which of the following appointments is not made by the President of India? It is Speaker of the Lok Sabha. A option is correct. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has recently raised the emoluments of the President, the Vice President and the Governors. The emolument payable to the President has been raised to rupees 1.50 lakh from 5,000 per month. B option is correct. What is the tenure of Prime Minister of India? Tenure of Prime Minister of India is as long as he enjoys the support of a majority in the Lok Sabha. C option is correct. Next question. Which of the following is true regarding no confidence motion in the Parliament? The thing that is true, so there is no mention of it in the Constitution. It can be introduced in the Lok Sabha only. The option is correct. Next question. Who held the office of the Vice President of India for 2 consecutive terms? It is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. A option is correct. When there is a vacancy in the office of the President and the Vice President at the same time, the office is held temporarily by the Chief Justice of India. D option is correct. The parliamentary committee which scrutinizes the report of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is Public Accounts Committee. C option is correct. The Prime Minister of India is appointed. B option is correct. Which is not an all India service? It is Indian Forest Service, that is not an all India service. C option is correct. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha has to address his her letter 2 of resignation to Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. C option is correct. A presidential ordinance can remain in force for 6 months. B option is correct. How many members of Anglo-Indian community can be nominated by the President of India to the Parliament? These are 2 members. B option is correct. Who can initiate impeachment of the president? It can be 1/4 members of either house of parliament. A option is correct. The declaration of constitution emergency in an state has to be approved by the parliament within a period of 2 months. A option is correct. The number of subjects in which union list of the Indian constitution is. So the number of subjects is 97. C option is correct. How many members of the Rajya Sabha retire from the house every 2 years? So the number are 1/3 of the total members. B option is correct. Evaluate the following statement. The President of India can be impeached by the Indian Parliament. The President of India can be removed by the Indian Parliament only with the approval of the Chief Justice of India. So option A is correct and option B is not correct. A option is correct only. So let's next question. How many times B was the terms of Lok Sabha expanded up to 6 years? It has been extended only once. A option is correct. Among the tax revenues of union government, the most important source is union exercise duties. The option is correct. What is the maximum strength prescribed for the state legislative assemblies? It is the 500. C option is correct. If Anglo-Indian community does not get adequate representation in Lok Sabha, 2 members of the community can be nominated by the President. B option is correct. For the election of President of India, a citizen should have completed the age of 35 years. C option is correct. A member of parliament will lose his membership if parliament he is continuously absent from the sessions. So it is 60 days. B option is correct. In India, the residuary powers are vested with union government. A option is correct. Which innovative discussion process is introduced by the Indian Parliament to the world parliamentary system? It is zero hour. B option is correct. Indian Parliament means Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, Prime Minister, President of India, Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha. C option is correct. Next question. Which one of the following is the popularly elected house of Indian Parliament? It is Lok Sabha. B option is correct. Next question. Which one of the following methods is used to ascertain the public opinion on important legislation? It is initiative. A option is correct. The final authority to interrupt our constitution is the Supreme Court. One of the following is a part of executive find out. So it is Sub-Inspector of Police. The voting age in India was lowered from 21 years to 18 years through constitutional amendment. B option is correct. Indian constitution has divided the power and function of the state into 3 lists. The President of India can nominate how many members from the Anglo-Indian community to the Lok Sabha? So these are only 2 members. A joint sitting of the 2 houses of Indian Parliament is presided over by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. On the subjects mentioned in the concurrent list, laws may be enacted by states and the union both. A option is correct. What is the maximum number of start questions that can be asked in Lok Sabha on a particular day? There should be only 20. B option is correct. Rajya Sabha being a permanent house, 1/3 of its members retire every 2 years. A option is correct. The joint session of the both house of parliament is summoned by president. B option is correct. How many members of Anglo-Indian community may be nominated by the President of India? These are 2 members. Who is referred to as the supreme commander of the forces in India? It is president. Which item out of the following is contained in the concurrent list? The item is trade unions. A option is correct. The residuary powers of the Indian Union are vested with the center. The maximum numbers of nominated members to be Rajya Sabha are 12. B option is correct. 1/3 of the members of Rajya Sabha retire every 2 years. The Vice President of India can be removed by the Rajya Sabha with the concurrence of Lok Sabha. C option is correct. A mid-term poll is conducted when the Lok Sabha is dissolved before completion of its term. A option is correct. A proclamation of emergency caused by war or external aggression must be approved by both the houses of parliament within 1 month. B option is correct. Which of the following is not a charged expenditure on the consolidated fund of India? It is expenditure on 5 years plans. A option is correct. The President of India addresses both houses of parliament assembled together at the commencement of the first session. It is both 1 and 2 of each year and after each general election or to the House of the People. C option is correct. Education is included in which of the following lists? Is it included in concurrent list? C option is correct. Can a person who is not a member of parliament be appointed as a minister? So he can be appointed as a minister, yes, but he has to become a member of parliament within 6 months of the appointment. D option is correct. Next question. Under which of the following situations can Rajya Sabha be dissolved? It can be dissolved none of these. D option is correct. The salary of members of parliament is decided by the parliament who held the office of Vice President of India for 2 full terms. The person is S. Radhakrishnan. A option is correct. What is the correct order of succession? The correct order of succession is the first Dr. S. Radhakrishnan and then Dr. Zakir Hussain and then V.V. Giri and then Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. The option is correct. If the Speaker of the Lok Sabha intends to vacate his office before the expiry of his term, he sends his resignation to the Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. C option is correct. The Parliament enjoys the exclusive right to legislate on the subjects contained in the union list. A option is correct. Next question. A bill is certified as money bill in the Lok Sabha by the Speaker. D option is correct. When the Vice President offices as President of India, he draws the salary of President. B option is correct. Who presides over the joint sitting of the Parliament in India? The Speaker of Lok Sabha. The right to nominate members to the Rajya Sabha rests with the President. The minimum age for a person to seek election to Lok Sabha is 25 years. The power to create or abolish the upper house of the state legislature belongs to Parliament. Which type of emergency has not been declared so far in India? The emergency is financial emergency. The Speaker of Lok Sabha enjoys the right to vote only in case of tie. B option is correct. During financial emergency, all money bills passed by the state legislature are to be reserved for the consideration of the President. D option is correct. The Committee of Subordinate Legislation deals with delegated legislation.